How to add shake to reveal Instagram story. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add shake to reveal Instagram stories. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First of all, you'll need to open up your Insta. So open up your Instagram and head over to add a story. So simply select a story from your gallery or take a picture. So after you've done that, what you'll need to do is tap on the stickers icon. Here, this is the one. And after you tap on it, you will get a lot of options. Now the one that you need to add is the frames. Tap on frames and select a picture. After you select a picture, you can add a caption if you want to. And after you do that, tap on done. Now you can adjust this however you'd like and then add it to your story. Now after you've added this to your story, what will happen is whenever someone else opens up your story, they will have to shake it to reveal the photo inside the frame. So yeah, that is basically it guys. As you can see, now you will need to shake it to reveal, and after you shake it, it will just reveal itself. And that is how you do it guys, and that is all for the video. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye.